Today, we're going to look at how to use opinion scale and ranking grid questions in Outgrow to create faster, cleaner, and more user-friendly surveys. These question types allow users to answer multiple related items on a single screen, which reduces survey fatigue and improves completion rates. Log in to the Outgrow dashboard and choose a survey. You can either start from scratch or pick a pre-made template. Go to the Add New and choose either the ranking grid question or the opinion scale question. These question types allow you to group questions together and use the same scale across multiple statements. Let's go to the ranking grid question. Add your statements in each option. These are the items you want the user to evaluate. Then you can click on the Edit Rank label. To edit the ranks, you can reorder statements to keep everything organized by choosing Move Up or Move Down. Now, let's move to the opinion scale question type. Add your statement that you want the user to evaluate under the question heading. Then choose your scale. For example, you can use a 1 to 10 agreement scale, a satisfaction scale, a frequency scale, or custom labels that match your survey's purpose. You can also add the left and right labels as poor and excellent. With an opinion scale question, you can also switch from numbers to emotions, which is great for quick feedback surveys and product experience ratings. This makes the interaction more visual and easier to complete on mobile. You can also customize the appearance by navigating to the Design tab and Layouts tab to make the survey visually appealing and consistent with your brand. After setting up the questions, preview the survey to make sure spacing, labels, and responsiveness look clean. Finally, integrate your survey with your CRM tool from the Integration section of the Configure tab so that each rating gets captured automatically. Click on Go Live, publish the changes, and embed it on your site or send it as a link. And that's how to use rating and ranking grid questions in Outgrow to make surveys faster, more compact, and more engaging for your users. Ready to get started? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and start building today.